This kind of plastic cupping cups, the material is friendly and can be repeat use, not easy to break, and it can be used in clinic or sold as a set.
Yes, they come in different sizes, and you can choose the different size for the different body part. And this one is flat. You can use in the and back. And then this one is curved. We use in the joint and the knees.
And this kind of silicone cupping cups is made of food-grade silicone material. It's safe and healthy. Have 4 sizes.
Yes, they have 4 sizes and sell well in the Europe and the United States. Our customers usually use Amazon and the physical store. And they are very
soft and odorless, and it can be used anywhere, anytime. It is very useful for treatment. Let us introduce the most popular fashion items recently, and also the best style on Amazon. And it has beautiful appearance and the beautiful gift box. It can be sent as a gift to your friend. Right.
Yes, they also have 4 sizes, and the silicone,
and it has a very strong suction.
The silicone and same size, and the glasses and silicone can separated and can replace if part of broken. Silicone has odorless, right?
Yeah, odorless.
And you can customization the color you like. Black and blue, pink sell well. Yes, our customers used to make a video on their Facebook page.
Yeah, and Instagram. It is very popular.